Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. A drizzle of olive oil. From which country are you watching my channel? 1 onion. Please subscribe my channel and give us a like and share the video. Thank you. Add the sliced onion. Add 1 bay leaf. Add turmeric. Add paprika. Add black pepper. Add salt. Add dry oreganos. Add some spicy. Mix well. For garlic cloves, add the garlic. Two cans of tuna in sunflower oil. Mix the tuna well. Let it fry for a few minutes. 800 grams of blended tomatoes. Mix well. Zest of 1 lemon. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Grate 1 carrot. Add the carrot. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Let's cook the pasta. Add plenty salt into boiling water. Add 500 grams of pasta. Cook the pasta for 10 minutes. Chop some fresh parsley. Add fresh parsley. Add a few big spoons of the water where you cooked the pasta. Add the pasta. And mix well. Enjoy!